Here's a little magic trick to brighten up your day. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 jokers, and if you notice they're all right side up. I'm going to turn them upside down one at a time without you noticing. The first one has now been done. There's one upside down. Little snap. And now the second one is upside down. So, if you're paying attention, there are 2 up and 2 down. I'll do the third one slowly so you can see it. What I'm doing is I'm pulling it out, turning it over, and you don't even notice it. So there we have 3 down and 1 up. I'll turn this last one over really quick. Watch carefully how quick it goes. Bam, just like that. All 4 jokers are upside down. The real magic is they're all aces, each and every one.